Hello students. So today I am going to discuss a very interesting problem which is in the physics and the subtopic is mechanics. So this problem is related to the friction coefficient which is mu. So what this problem states? So if the smooth vase is made rough, you have a smooth vase and you made this rough like this. What does it mean by smooth vase and rough vase? It states that the smooth vase contains mu is equals to 0 and whereas rough vase has some friction coefficient. So if the smooth vase is made rough, then time taken by it to come down becomes n times. What is question trying to say? That if we put a block this of mass m on both ways, so what will going to happen if you consider the length of hypotenuse of this wedge S, which is fixed for both the wedges. This is S for this also, and the inclination of wedge is theta. It is also constant for all for both. So if you make the free body diagram of this block, so what will be the free body diagram? This mg will act downward and your mg sin theta will be like this and your mg cos theta will be like this, and it will be your reaction. So what you can write down? You can write down the acceleration of this block along this wedge. So what will be the acceleration of block? What will be, you can by this equilibrium you can write down m is equals to mg sin theta along this direction. So what I am going to do, I will cancel out this m and I get the acceleration of this block along this direction, which is a is equals to g sin theta. Whereas if you try to draw the free body diagram of this block, so what will going to happen? You have a BD like this, mg cos theta and mg you have downward and mg sin theta. This is, and you have this wedge is rough, so it has, consider it has mu. So mu is the friction coefficient of this wedge. So this friction coefficient mu exert a frictional force on this block, which is given by F is equals to mu mg cos theta, which is F is equals to mu r, whereas r, the reaction which is r is equals to mg cos theta. So if you write down the equilibrium condition or moving condition, so what will be the acceleration of this block? You can write down ma is equals to mg sin theta minus mu mg cos theta, and if you common out mg cos theta from this expression, you will get tan theta minus mu. This m and m get cancelled out. So what will be the acceleration of this block on the rough wedge? It is g cos theta tan theta minus mu. So write down the equation of motion second equation. What is s equals to ut plus half at square. Initially we have our block is in rest, so u will goes to be 0. So s is equals to half. What is acceleration in this situation when your block is smooth? What will be z sine theta t square? And what will be the s in this situation? U is also 0 initially. So what is half of g cos theta tan theta minus mu and t square. Sorry, this is t1 and this will be t2 square, because if this wedge is smooth, so your block will come faster at the bottom. If your base is rough, then this block takes more time to come in this position on the bottom. Suppose time is taken by this block on this smooth block, which is t1, which is I write down here, and here you have t2. According to your question, so if the smooth wedge is made rough, then the time taken by it comes down, becomes n time. So what is the states? T2 will become nt1. So I am going to put this value in this equation. So what will come out? Half g cos theta tan theta minus mu t1 square and n square. As we see, the distance of this s for both the wedges is same, constant. So what you can write down, you can equate both the equations. So what you will get, your half g will get cancelled out. So what will your cos theta will come out in this side. So what is it? Tan theta is tan theta t1 square. I am directly solving it. Try to understand what is going to happen. Tan theta minus mu n square t1 square. T1 square gets cancelled. So when you find the value of mu from this expression, it will come out tan theta 1 minus 1 by n square. So this is the result, required result